Jai Jagannath friends, welcome to S2 Chemicals. Today we discuss about atoms and molecules. First, what is atom? An atom is defined as the smallest particles of an element which may or may not have an independent existence. Shortly, you can say smallest unit of matter. Examples: zinc, iron, neon, etc., which have an independent state. Second, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, etc., which do not have independent existence. Let we discuss one example of atom. For example, if we broken a piece of iron, then ऐसा एक स्टेज आएगा जिसमें उसको हम ब्रोकन नहीं कर सकते और डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. That is an atom of iron. Okay friends. Then what is element? Elements are substances that are made of only one type of atom or one type of particles. Examples: helium, oxygen, iron, etc. Okay friends. Then we will discuss about molecules. What is molecules? What is molecules? A molecule is a natural group of two or more atoms held together by chemical bonding. For examples, H2O means water. In H2O, molecules that having two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom bonding by chemical reaction, that is called H2O, that is called water. Okay friends. Then we discuss another example of molecules. NaCl is equal to salt. In NaCl, one sodium atom and one chlorine atom held by a chemical reaction, that is called a molecules or salt molecule. Okay friends. Then the classification of molecules. One is homoatomic molecules and second one is heteroatomic molecules. What is homoatomic molecules? Two or more atoms of the same elements combine to form a molecules, we know. Now there are three categories of homoatomic molecules. One is monoatomic molecule, second one is diatomic molecule, third one is triatomic molecule. Now we discuss what is monoatomic molecules. Mono means one. They always contain single atom of same element, that is called monoatomic molecules. Example: helium, neon, etc. Now we discuss what is diatomic molecules. Di means two. They contain two atoms of the same elements. Examples: O2, N2, etc. Okay friends. Now what is triatomic molecules? Tri means three. They contain three atoms of the same element. Examples: O3 means ozone. Now we discuss another category of molecules. That one is heteroatomic molecules. In these molecules, two or more elements combine and form a new molecules, that is called heteroatomic molecules. Example: hydrochloric acid, hydrogen sulfide, and potassium dichromate. Here H is a molecule and Cl is a molecules. When we combine two molecules, then form a new molecule, that is hydrochloric acid. Okay friends. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching S2 Chemicals.